Welcome. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to control who can see your last seen on Telegram for PC, especially if you don't want specific people to have access to that information. With the latest update, Telegram has made it even easier to customize your privacy. So, let's go step by step. First, open up your Telegram app on your computer. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top left corner and click on the three horizontal lines. This will open up the main menu, where all your important settings live. Next, from the menu, select Settings. Inside Settings, you'll see different categories. Here, you need to choose Privacy and Security. This is the section that controls who can see your personal information on Telegram. Now, look for the option that says Last Seen and Online. By default, Telegram might allow everyone or just your contacts to see your activity. But here, you can customize it exactly the way you want. Select My Contacts so that only people saved in your contacts are able to see your last seen. Once you've done that, you'll see an option that says Never Share With. Right next to it, there's a button labeled Add Users. Click on that. At this point, a list of your contacts will appear. Scroll through or search for the people that you don't want to see your last seen status. Select their names, then click on Save. You'll immediately be shown a confirmation screen. Double-check the changes to make sure you selected the right people, and then confirm the step. From now on, your last seen status will remain hidden from those specific contacts, even though the rest of your contacts can still view it. And that's it. You've just successfully set up your Telegram privacy, so that you never have to share your last seen with people you'd rather keep it private from. It's a quick and simple process, but it makes a big difference when it comes to protecting your privacy online. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check back for more tips and tutorials on mastering your Telegram settings.